Tū, ata Maori e wānau, whānau, hānau, however you want to say it, from whichever region you are from. Oh, you're probably thinking, man, does this fella do any work? Well, actually, yeah, I do. I'm doing some right now, so you're actually working with me. Alright, so today's kupu of the day, or today's place name, is Kawerau. Yes, that's right, Kawerau. Alright, not Kawerau, as I've heard it being said many a time. Alright, so let's go through that. It's, I suppose the hardest part of that place name is it's just pronouncing your vowels, and the last part saying the rau and rolling your R. Alright, so if we go back to one of our other videos where I taught you how to roll your R by saying the word tara. Alright, same concept. And the last part, the AU. Alright, even it's probably very similar to a sound that a certain group makes. Alright, oh. Now, you all got to get over yourselves about that sound. Alright, this is our language, our reo. So it's not about any sort of particular call from a particular group. Alright, it's about our reo. So, getting past that, you want to pronounce it like rau. Alright, because you're saying tara, rolling your R, and pronouncing the last part, AU, as a O. Alright, so we'll go through the first part. Ka, repeat after me. Ka, we, rau. Ka, we, rau. Ka, we, rau. Kawerau. It's not Kawerau. And get over yourselves over the last part of the sounding out the rau part. Okay? Because it is our reo. It's Kawerau. Okay. Sure. Ka pai tōra.